Exercise 2.1, question number 1. The graphs of y is equal to px are given in figure 2.10 below for some polynomial px. Find the number of zeros of px in each case. So starting with the first graph. In the first graph, we can see the graph is completely above the x-axis. So the polynomial px has no zero in this case. Polynomial px has no zeros since graph is completely above x-axis. Now the second graph. In the second graph, we can see this graph intersect x-axis only at one point. Let's say this point is A. So the number of zeros is 1. Number of zeros is 1 since graph intersects x-axis at one point only. Now the third. In the third graph, we can see the graph is intersecting x-axis at 3 points. Let's say the point is A, B and C. So the number of zeros is 3. Number of zeros is 3 since graph intersect x-axis at 3 points. Now the fourth graph. In fourth, we can see that the graph intersect x-axis at A and B. So the number of zeros is 2. Numbers of 0 is 2 since graph intersect x-axis at 2 points. Now the fifth one. Here we can see that this graph intersect x-axis at A, B, C and D. So total number of zeros is 4. Number of zeros is 4 since graph intersect x-axis at 4 points. Now the last one. Here we can see the graph intersect x-axis at A, B and C. So the number of zeros is 3. Number of zeros is 3. Since graph intersect x-axis at 3 points.